show you this. I use it all the time. It's a round hoe. It's made in South Australia by F.D Ryan, and it's a tool that is just marvellous. What do I use it for? For weeding. What's unusual about this hoe is it has a double edge, a blade on this side and a blade on that side. So you use it in a backwards and forwards motion. Let's do some weeding. Note that while I'm weeding, what's happening is that the blade is going under the ground and actually getting underneath the roots. So the whole root system is being pulled up. This is really efficient without doing any major disturbance to the dirt. So with a round hoe, you can actually do really big areas really quickly, and the long handle allows you to stand outside the garden bed and reach in a long way. So you really don't get covered in dirt and filth. So what we have here is about 1 minute of weeding. Note that the weeds on the top of the ground there are just lying on the top. All the roots are being dug up. They're going to die off over the next day or so. Go and get yourself a round hoe and get into speed weeding.